in Siumu district. Whapaya mai alo wanganga e manu ia aile nei whamoe moe. Amene, amene. Amen.
O lea ua mapu i le maoka. I muri mai i le fio mai o le fio kare kupu. Salesa III. Ia e mai se foi o lana masiopo ia Camila. E ua poia kako ai le muri mai o le maoka kare kofiga. Whakwa seru ai poia ia sa sopua mai. Mga kulea e maia. Iau se kanga malu. Sa sopua mai la. Pai, poro ko whawhaka kau. Ua sāra rau rei. Ua sāra whani. Ia manguia rau rau.
Greetings and good morning to Her Majesty King Charles III and Queen Camilla. It is very unfortunate that we are at the beginning of the wet season in Samoa, and that's why we are experiencing the rain this day. Oh, the rain is good. This is what we call showers of blessings, and thank God for the rain. We can see you are in the best of health, and we thank God for that. And Your Majesty, due to time constraints, we will try and keep our program short and brief. Given the distinguished nature and royal significance of this event, it is only fitting that the sons of the King of Samoa extend a formal invitation to Your Majesty the King of the United Kingdom and the head of the Commonwealth in gracing our district with your royal visit. Therefore, I respectfully request the sons of Samoa to deliver a keynote address to honor Your Majesty's and the Queen's visit to the shores of Samoa and the shores of Siumu. Thank you.
With the utmost respect and gratitude, we extend a paramount warm welcome to Your Majesty King Charles III, Madam Queen Camilla, and the esteemed dignitaries and delegates from the British government to the District of Siumu. This visit holds a profound significance, symbolizing the enduring bond and respect between our traditional values and the esteemed British monarchy. As the heirs of the Tupu or fourth kingship of Samoa, Samoa is the son of the second four royal kingship for Faasuafa, who inherited the four royal kingship of Samoa from his mother, Queen Salesa III. Samoa established his government in Siumu, and Siumu identities allusions as Samoa and two subordinate families. The high-topping chief orator Tupu and Tupu inheritance. The two house of orators, the voice of Alatawa, the tri-houses and Utailewo. We express our sincere gratitude for your thoughtful considerations in honoring and accommodating our district cultural core values. As the known proverbs in our district, Your Royal Honor, I quote, "Your royal visit has lifted the house of Samoa on the peak of the mount. In due respect to our Eastern and Western Samoans' traditional allusions and identity, from the uncovered sand and the yellow sea of Tuimanua to the sunset of the Faasuafa, the ocean flame of goddess warrior Nafanua at Filimapuletu, where all the noble inheritance originated. We dedicated that crucial role to upholding our traditional orators and their advocative responsibility to nurture our traditional narrative values. The brotherhood of Tumua Mapule Itua Malatawa Aingaletai Maleva Fonoti Tama Malato Ainga or Ainga Malato Tama. The brother in the islands of Salaya, Sua Malvai Panua before my Tulangi Sa Ole Masale Amoa, Papea le Mamalo le Lamniu Nasailua. The island of Manua, Tama le Manuatele, Fatui Matoto le Paleula, Papea le Mamalu Yatoile la Auna Matasi. In due respect of our triangular spheres of the government of Samoa, His Excellency, the head of state of Samoa, Honorable Prime Minister, Speaker of the House and the Parliament, and the judicial branch of the government of Samoa, servant of God who serve our daily religious values, contribute to our community positive development at every level. We consider Ava the twin of the gods in the South Pacific Islands. In Samoa, it is the twin to honor and thank God for the numerous blessings, good health, protection, caring, and love. Welcoming and also farewell and transferring a title for the hour ceremony for Your Majesty King Charles III, Madam Queen Camilla, and your dignitaries is a significant traditional appropriations and dignified experience that will be lifelong memory for the people of Samoa and the district of Siumu. In our tradition, the royal hour ceremony is a solemn and revered event, and we humbly partake it to welcome Your Majesty, to glorify and thank God. This event is an esoteric relevance and demonstrates the enduring bond between Samoa and British royal family. We are deeply honored and grateful for Your Majesty's unwavering respect. Your presence meaning family, emphasizing our shared values and unity and respect. We are resilient, united by respect, and inspired by our shared humanity. These values unite and empower us to overcome our differences and strengthen our unity. I am privileged to present a historic gestures of respect and love to Your Majesty to commemorate these extraordinary occasions. With the authority entrusted to me by the people of the District of Siumu, I hereby bestow upon Your Majesty an honorary title. This is unique and special. Title simplifying and signifying a special event for Paramount Chief Faaaloalo on his contributions to a war of 4 kingship in Samoa. It is named to Aingai Tumua in honor of Paramount Chief Faaaloalo. This title symbolizes the unifying power of events that unite families and Samoa. The bond between our countries and the district further cemented in remembrance of this significant event. Let us prepare for the title benediction of His Majesty.
Your Majesty, King Charles III, I, the Faaaloalo Mealofa Salamasina, bestow upon you the chief name Soafa Tumua. Long live the King, and God blesses you.
Lewa kau mai nei pere mai ko le moi ni. Te kai ai mau sa ka vio kau ni. Ale mo lana pakasi e pere ko sa kwa. Go mepre. E ia yo se kanga malura o fio malau mai skeki. Kwa ore pa lamo iai pe tani e kei. Ma ko nei kai au. O leo mau kuak sama. Sama kai ko sama le kwa. Sama le fonkia. Awal pa fo kupo la wa fio ma nei kai au. A ma ko ya. O leo sa lue la ruma. A pai a mai a Amilai, ai alanga ava kawao. Kaka sa ipu a wai pa foko rau pionga toai no kumua. Niu vara ka mai kai. Kaka sa ipu a wai suya ni malo. Hai alana mailes, pionga ni ska. A so kele ale lopi. Sa mai muko kau o ku male nganga Faaaloalo. Mamuia kele gaias. Kaku. Mamuia la wepo. Mamuia la wepo kupu koai no kumua. Kako horava. Mai vai. Tua Maria Maria Lofa Maria Leo Kua. Soi fua mai mungia.
Usirea bapa sosa. Rese kaku.
Lau avanea le tua. A betai lo lofa lo wangine. A tau niu nei whamangoia na whauao whaupo. A kai tātou tu Faaaloalo Siumu. A kai no to Faaaloalo wale te mai o Tupu. A mai te Faaaloalo wa Samoa. Your Royal Highness, Majesty, King Charles and your Queen Camilla, we trust that you have enjoyed our humble home and our hospitality of Samoa. Your mama, Queen Elizabeth, was here with us. Your papa, Prince Philip, was also here with us. So too your brothers. Today we are gathering here to celebrate, here your Highness. So thank you for making time. We are now family forever, our Ainga for life. Samoa, we promise we will always remember you in our prayers for good health and long life. May God protect you on your way back, and Samoa love you both. So for my Mamia.
Majesty, our district is pleased to present a selection of unique gifts for Your Majesty and the Queen.